Here we'll have a look at how to create a table chart that looks like a Excel table chart. So you go to the landing page of Goodchart and then just click here, the table chart link. This will bring you to a sort of blank page. We've pre-filled some information, but it's all editable, customizable, deletable. So we'll start with naming it, sample size chart. That's really important, so you can find it in your charts once it's saved. You can add a block here, so if you want to add a text block or if you want to add an image. In this example, we'll just add an image. Here we go. You can delete the image at any step, or you can change it, modify it. You can also adjust the size of it, the position. Let's put it in the center. Let's say you want to add a video. You can simply click on the text block and put the link to your video. That's if you want to showcase, for example, how to measure yourself. Now, if you look at the Excel-like table here, you can customize all of these. You can change them. You can also add an extra label, let's say length. You can add as many as you want, or you can remove them. In this case, we'll just basically remove it. You can add extra sizes as well. Let's say you want to add XXL. There you go. So now just for a test, we'll just put some random sizes here. And what you can basically do is you can use our grading tool. So that's our grading. It will select the smallest size as a base, but you can change that. So let's say you've just put measurement for M, then you can grade them up. So let's say here we'll just put 555 as a grading. 5. And then let's say 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. When I press apply, what will happen? That will automatically fill in your Excel. So that's an easy, quick way to fill in the information using the grading tool. Now, we've got some preset measurements explanation down here, but you can remove as much as you want or simply add, let's say, length, and then you can just basically add measure from 2 and just make sure you save. There's a little menu bar as well here where you can change things around, the position, alignment, let's say, of the text, or you can add some points. You can change the text direction. You can select as well the type of heading you'd like. You can also add a video here. So once that's done, what we'll do is we'll have a look at the more actions. So you can duplicate that size chart if you want to have a quick way to duplicate it and change some information. You can get a permalink if you want to share that with anyone in your team or with customers. And you can add a layout block. In the layout block, you can add a table, you can add some text or an image. Now, we'll just go ahead and save it. And we'll have a look at the preview of our chart. So this is basically how our chart would look like. I've kept it very simple, but you can add as many layout blocks. Let's say you want to add a table, save, that's going to add a table. Or if you want to add a text, so you add the text, and then let's say you want to add a video, YouTube, insert, well, in this case might not work, but let's say you want to add Goodchart.com. This would add a video here. Now we'll just save it. And most importantly, once you're done, you add a matching condition. So in this case, you can add this table chart to all the products, a certain collection, or a specific product. If you select a specific product, you can select it here. Once you select it, press select, and that will apply that table chart to this garment. You've got a search button here. So if you know the name of your garment, let's say pants, then it will search and it will show you all the pants. And then you can select the ones you want the table chart to show on. And that's it for creating a table chart.